I'm going to teach today another lead code problem. Here in this lead code, we have longest substring without repeating character. This is a medium based question. Before jumping into the solution, let us see what is the question and then which technique we are using. The question states that we need to find the longest substring without any repeating character, which means a single character should not be repeated in a substring, and then we need to find the longest substring. In the first example, we have ABC, ABCBB. Here, the longest substring is ABC, while why not 4? Because the A is repeated again. So the longest substring is C. In the second example, the B is repeated 5 times, even though we need to have non-repeating character. Hence, the output is 1. So let us see into the technique how we are approaching this question. So this is the technique. This technique is a sliding window. Why we are using this? Because we need to have a set of uh, if the problem is related to substring, we would automatically use sliding window. In this sliding window, we have two operators or two pointers. Those two pointers are start and end. We have an hash set also, and then we have an integer character which is answer or max length. Here we are going to move the end. We are going to move the second pointer till the last, which we while we encounter an element. So here the E goes subsequently while the S stays at the same position. The S is going to change only when it encounters an another same element. So we are going to save all the E element in the hash set. If that element is repeated, we are going to remove that element from the set, and then we are going to increment E as well as S. So a new kind of set also starts right now. Okay, that is the ideology or technique behind the problem. Here, the time complexity for this technique would be O of n, and space complexity also O of n. Why? Because we are not using additional space or additional looping condition. So let us look into the problem. So the solution starts with we are defining start, end, and max length. Here, max length would be one only mostly, but in few conditions they would have given empty string. In those conditions, we need to have max length of 0 only. And then I have created a set. Okay, this set is used to store the elements. So the first while condition is end should be less than character length, and then we are creating a character. This character will be placed at the position of n, and then we have another while condition. This while condition states if the scene element means the hash set contains the character, means we are removing the character from the hash set, and then we are incrementing the start, and then we are adding the new element into the now incrementing the window size, or we are defining a window size, and down in the max length we are finding the max length, and then we are incrementing the end element, and at the final I am returning the max length. Thank you.